JBS. Gonna make a couple videos here of different setups so everybody can make a choice on their own. This is with the 35s on a Ridge Crew, and we're in low range. We have Alba tune, stock weights with our primary and secondary spring. So if you want to just do a spring kit with 35s, this is the video for you. And we'll do a pull on this hill. And this is with the overdrive cap too. Get on the hill here. This is a pretty steep hill. It'll spin them up the hill with 35s pulling out in the middle of the hill. And I'll take you down here and show you what it does on the road. So for your basic kit, this here does really good, even with 35s. Alright, I'm going to go to high range. And I'll show you what it pulls like on the hard road. Go ahead and take over, ride up the hard road here. With 35s, I have a chart. 60 mile an hour on the Speedo is 68. And I have a few others there too. So I think 53 on the Speedo is about almost 60. When we get back here, but 55 is over 60, and it was still pulling good. So if you're looking for just your basic setup, this is awesome for the 35s. Got a straightaway coming up here after this curve. Back over here and do one more uphill in high range. Uphill and high. So this is a pretty steep hill here. Check us out, JBS Performance. I'm gonna make a lot of videos like this, and then that way you know the changes and you know the results. Thanks for watching.